This is Miss Moore here. I wanted to walk you guys through the YHS Academic Planning Canvas course to show you how you should be using it to plan for your classes next year. And then I'm also going to do a quick walkthrough in Naviance so you can see live how you should be requesting your classes. So all students have been added to the YHS Academic Planning Canvas course. You should see it in Canvas just like your other classes. This is what you're going to use to help you determine which classes you need to take next year. On the home page, there's a section for every grade level, Rising 10th, Rising 11th, and Rising 12th. You can look at a PowerPoint that shows the Virginia graduation requirements and talks about the difference between the standard and advanced diploma. You can also see the recording from Patriot Period. We gave you guys that presentation on Monday showing you how to use Naviance. You can find the PowerPoint in the recording here. And then if you want to refer, some of you might find it easier to print out a copy of the old paper CRF form. You could use this to, check off the classes that you want to take. And then when you log into Naviance, you'll know which classes you need to enter. So I wanted to show you really quick the best way to use this. So if you are going to be a 10th grader next year, you can click on Rising 10th Graders. It's going to open up these different modules for every grade level. And the first thing you'll want to do is click on 10th Core Classes. So this page, up here at the top, you're going to see these classes that you need to sign up for. Remember, everyone needs to sign up for 7 classes. So if you're going to be a 10th grader next year, you'll see that you need a math, you need an English, you need a social studies. There is the potential that this is optional for some of you guys. You need a science. Everyone needs health and PE 10. If you have a language, you'll take one of those. And then you'll have room for 1 elective. If you're not taking a language, then you'll have 2 electives. But everyone will need to select 7 classes in Naviance. If you look below, we have a chart here that says, that tells you which classes are available to you next year as a 10th grader. So right now, if you are in geometry, your class next year will be Algebra 2. If you see these bold, the classes in bold, you can click on those and it's going to open up a PDF where teachers have written in some comments about the classes, so what you can expect. Maybe, if you want to find out the difference between regular or intensified Algebra 2, click here, and that's what you'll be able to see. So similarly for 11th graders, when you click the 11th core classes, you'll see here at the top the 7 classes that you need to make sure you're taking. Math, English 11, U.S. Virginia History, a science, a language if you're taking one, and then you can fill in the rest with electives. There's the chart below for current 10th graders that says if this is your current 10th grade class, the next column shows the classes that you could take as an 11th grader. You guys can ask your teachers questions if you want to learn more, and they're going to be making recommendations to let you know which classes you should be taking next year. And then last, I'm going to click on 12th grade. So again, 12th graders, you need to take 7 classes, sign up for 7 classes. Yes, as seniors, there are some different options for your schedule, but right now we want all of you guys signing up for 7 classes. So math, English 12, everyone will take government, a science, a language if you're taking one. Make sure if you have not taken econ and personal finance, you sign up for that senior year, and then you can fill in the rest with electives. And the same chart is below, showing you which classes you can take senior year based on your 11th grade classes. You can also explore electives, the language classes that are available by clicking on those buttons in the module, and it will take you to all of the different electives. Again, if you see that it's bold, there are PDFs with details about those classes that you can look at. So everyone should log into this Canvas course, review the information for your grade level. Side note, Career Center courses are also listed here for those of you interested in some of the Career Center classes. So everyone needs to explore this Canvas course, look at the classes that are available next year, and decide which classes you want to take. After that, you can go to Naviance. And once you log into Naviance, everyone is going to come to this home page. This is a demo page for Miss Maria Yorktown. So everyone's going to see this page. At this top center, you're going to click Courses and then Manage Course Plans. There's currently a demo plan in here. Yours may not have anything. So everyone is going to click this pink plus sign to build a new plan. Right now, we're encouraging everyone to select the Advanced Studies diploma. And unless you know for sure you're doing a standard diploma, but you can select Advanced Studies. Make sure Create a New Plan is selected. You click Continue. You can choose to select a career cluster, but you do not have to. So you can click Skip this step. And then it's going to open up your academic plan. Now, if you are a 10th grader currently, it will load your 9th grade classes, and we are working with the county to get all of your current classes loaded. So the main thing we want you guys to focus on is entering in the classes for next year. If you want to fill out the entire plan so you can map out the classes that you would like to take all throughout high school, that would be great, and we encourage you to do that. So what you'll do for every course is you'll click the Add Courses button for each subject to pick your classes. So let's say that you are going to be in 10th grade next year. Under English, you click Add Courses. You scroll to grade 10 and you choose your English class. So let's say you pick English 10. You can then scroll to the bottom or scroll to the bottom and click Add Courses to your plan. And once you do that, you'll see English 10, 1 credit shows here. You'll do the same for math. So let's say currently in 9th grade you are in geometry. Your class next year will be Algebra 2. You select Algebra 2. If you would like to pick it for the rest of high school, you can do that as well. That doesn't set anything in stone. It's just an academic plan. And then you'll click Add Courses to your plan. You may see sometimes that it doesn't automatically go back to your screen, and that is okay. You can click Back to Plan to get back to the screen that shows your academic plan. So what we want you guys to do is go through and add all of the classes that you want to take for next year. Make sure that it says 7 credits here at the top. Remember that AP Science classes are 2 credits, and any Career Center class is also 2 credits. So you'll add in all of your classes. Make sure it says 7 credits at the bottom. And then instead of, this is my screen, so it looks a little bit different, but you will have a button here that says Submit for Approval. So once you have filled in the classes for next year, click Submit for Approval. It'll go to your counselor and we'll be able to review it and let you know if any changes need to be made. So just make sure you guys reach out to your counselor if you have any questions. We're here to help. We are going to be hosting several different help sessions, so just keep an eye out in Canvas for messages from your counselor with the Microsoft Teams links so you can drop in and get your questions answered.